Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you stake how to add funds. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To add funds to your stake.com account, what you need to do is first head over and open up your stake app, and then once you're inside, be sure to be logged into your stake.com account. Then once logged in, what you need to do is navigate to the wallet. Simply tap on the wallet icon on the bottom of your screen. Then once you're inside here, you will find the option that says deposit right here. Tap on that. Now on tapping, what you need to do is choose the cryptocurrency you wish to deposit, example Bitcoin, Ethereum, and then once that's done, copy the unique deposit address provided by the selected cryptocurrency. Then once that's done, from your external wallet or exchange, send the desired amount to the copied address and ensure you're using the correct network to avoid any issues. So that's basically how you can do it, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.